От наш шоп на сьогоднішню заміну. Вот. Меняем сцепление Audi S4. Снимаем глушитель даунпайп. Okay, just unbolted all 4 bolts of fucking downpipe. It's 1, 2, 3, and there's 4 on the back right there. So that back one is really hardest one. In order to get it, you gotta take out the air filter box, bend this fucker down, and then get this kind of half moon 17mm keys, so you can go down this way and start wrenching. But this is not a half moon, this is S shape, but this is the one I got from the Harbor Freight, and I cut that piece like right there. See, so it's kind of worked good. I got that fucking bolt out finally. Been trying to do that like since yesterday night. This motherfucker, look, this came out. So finally, and then you just release these 3 pieces of shit, and your downpipe is good. So we can continue with our clutch replacement procedure. Okay. Okay, finally took out the transmission. This is 5-speed. This is the serial number. Okay, I think the rear seal is leaking. We'll change that soon. And what else? This piece is good. So in order to get it, just need to unbolt these bolts. And don't touch these sensors. They will just fit by their own. Just unscrewed the drive shaft and the drive shaft, and these things. So I'm checking the transmission mounts. They are completely gone. See, this one too. Okay, probably time to change the engine mounts as well. Okay, that's it. Let's go. Okay, installed the new clutch. It's pretty straightforward. This is 3 dots here. See, here, and on the top one. You need to match it and match the holes. That's it. And you need this special alignment tool. So to center the clutch plate. Yeah, that's it. And I grinded the flywheel, cleaned with the brake cleaner. This is it. And just clear it. That's it. We installed the clutch. new transmission mounts, and this is aftermath. Smoke going on here. It's coming from oxygen sensor. And that's it. Car is running good. Gears are engaging perfect. That's it.